Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can follow bot on Twitch. This is insane guys, and as you guys can see, through this Discord server, I can basically follow bot anyone and anyone's channel. For example, if we just copy the username .tfollow and then copy my own username, which is tricks_radius, and then if we press enter, it's going to add a bunch of followers on my account for completely free. As you guys can see, it says adding 35 followers, and then it'll show the username. So as you guys can see, I have 238 followers right now, but if I reload, I should have around 270. It's insane. It's a good way so you guys can actually get partnered with Twitch. So as you guys see, I have 265. So yeah, this video is insane, and you guys can follow bot even up to 1,000 followers per minute. You guys can watch the full entire video, but without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing that you guys want to do is join the link of the description, and then once you guys are there, it's going to be two links right here. You guys want to press the first link, and then you guys want to go on to the second link, so subscribe to myself, and then go into the second link and subscribe to my friend Shadow. Do keep in mind not to unsubscribe, or you will not be able to proceed with these steps. As you guys can see, it says unsubbing will not work. It will just confuse it, and if you guys are already subscribed, just wait on the page for 15 seconds, and it's going to recognize that you subscribed, and then it's going to unlock the link. So you guys want to press unlock link, and then you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then you guys want to go on free access, and then from here you guys want to go on to download Fortnite dev. Obviously this has nothing to do with Fortnite, but you will see eventually that this actually leads to the link for how to get Twitch followers. So skip on and press open, and it's going to take my Beacons AI link. Now you may be asking, what are all these links for? So you guys want to press Twitch follow bot. It's going to be the second one. It's going to be another link for Ty, so press I'm not a robot, free access with ads, discover interesting articles were done 5 to 10 seconds, and close this out. Discover interesting topics, close this out, and then go on one of these, and then you guys want to download the Twitch, and then press save, and then you guys want to double click on the download, and then you guys want to go on yes, next, skip all, and then you guys want to press open. Now this is going to open the Discord link to actually join. So once you guys are here, you guys are going to want to go on to the rules, and make sure to read the rules over. Please do not violate any of the guidelines in here. And then you guys want to go on to the botting area where it says Twitch, and you guys can you guys can spam people, you guys can advertise their channel, you guys can .tfollow, .help, .raid, .thost, .tview, .tfriend. You guys can clip, you guys can report, you guys can friend, you guys can view people, you guys can host their channel. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna advertise my friend, so I'm gonna do .advertise, and if you guys want to check out his stream, you will see in a second. Actually, I am on a stream, so if you guys want to join make sure to join a stream, because I'm usually on it, and if you want to play with me, just join a stream. So .advertise, I'm gonna put his username in, and so yeah, it should advertise successfully. So yeah, and you guys can also bot follows with this. And you guys may be asking, well, how do I bot 1,000 followers? 35 followers isn't much. So you guys want to go on to the plans, and then you guys can actually pay for followers. So for example, if you want 1,000 followers, it's gonna be €8, and you get all the commands. I don't know what €8 in USD is, but it's probably around the same price. And then you guys can get 30 to 20 live views for €5, and then you guys can get no cooldown for €12, and then you guys can get 1,500 followers and 2 boosts for €10, and then you guys can, so yeah, and you also do get access to view botting. So I know a lot of you guys are interested in that, so you guys can go on .tview and then view bot their channel. Also, this Discord has a bunch of vouchers. I'm actually going to vouch for them myself, because this is completely legit and it actually works completely. So yeah, I didn't have a problem with this, but you guys can also raid. But that's a little bit confusing. I don't really know how to do it, but there is a how to raid channel. So if you guys are interested, you guys can check out that. But I really don't know how to do that yet. So basically with this, you guys can go on to the botting and basically type whatever you want. If you guys have any questions, you guys can ask for help. They have support and staff members to actually help you out. They also do a private bot. If you are interested in wanting your own server, you guys can buy a private bot, and you guys can get lifetime. So yeah, that is a little bit more expensive, but if you want to make your own Twitch follow bot server, you guys can do that. You guys can also apply for their staff applications. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm gonna bot my channel one more time before I go, just to prove that you guys that this is legit. So if I pull up my Twitch in a second, I'm just gonna pull up my Twitch in a second, and then if I pull up my Twitch in a second, guys, which is right here, you guys want to see that I have 267 followers. But if I go on .tfollow and use my username tricks_radius and press enter, it's gonna add 35 followers onto my account. So you guys want to reload, and it should add the followers like that. So I should, as you guys see, every single time I reload, I'm getting more follows. So this is literally insane. You guys can do this infinitely many times. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this on how to get Twitch and tutorials that like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.